So this is the MAXXT sander, right out of the box, brand new, just delivered by Amazon, and power's on, speed is turned on to a higher setting, nothing happening. Brand new, and it's already malfunctioning. I'll turn it down. Now watch this. It pulses. When by chance it does turn on, it runs for a second, and you let it off, and it continues to run and pulse. And it pulsed again. Power on, it's depressed, and it's not running. And it's pulsing. It runs occasionally, then pulses when you don't want it to run. It'll pulse and run. Yeah, it's going back.